Okay, I repeat. Okay, last topics.
Okay, sir.
Or functions name. Functions usually for a functions based class. Suppose that one function is created. This is a function is a key. Okay, function is a keyword. Function's name is any name. Suppose that IPCS. This name. Okay, this function's name IPCS. Okay, and a module's name. Module's name any which so many modules are available in a Python's pandas, numpy, and so etc. etc. And name of variable's name. Any variable's name. Variable's name is equal to 10, and this is a variable's name. A is a variable's name. Then rules of identifier. To define identifier in a Python, the only allow character in a Python array. Python are first is a alphabet symbol. Alphabet symbol. First is a alphabet symbol, lowercase and uppercase. Lower case and uppercase. Both. Okay. Lowercase and uppercase both. And digit. Second number is digit 0 to 9. Okay. And third is underscore. Underscores means this sign is underscores. Okay, using underscore. And third second point is, by mistake if we are using other symbols like dollar, suppose that IPCS dollar, then ABCD, this is a wrong. Okay, then IPCS, this is right. Not specific symbols not allow. Okay, in variables. Then third point is, identifiers should not start with digit. Okay, example is 1 2 3 IPCS, okay, equal to 10. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Reason is not start with, starting is number. Okay, and second is IPCS 1 2 3 is equal to 10. This is valid. Okay, this is right. Okay, then third point is, identifier are case sensitive. Of course Python language is case sensitive language. Case sensitive means, suppose that total is equal to 10, then total is equal to 99, something like, then print total. Okay, then print total. Both are different. Okay, this variable's name are same, but first word is small letter, then second is capital letters. Both are different. Okay, this is case sensitive. Python is case. Okay, this is almost point. Then next is, identifiers are allow. First point is, identifier alphabet symbols either uppercase and lowercase, and second is if identifier is start with underscore, then it indicate this is private. Start with underscore IPCS. Okay,
Should we do now, sir?
yes, yes,
We should do now, sir.
just a minute. Open the command, type is import keyword. Keyword dot list. Hello, is screen is visual? 35 keywords.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes. And open cmd command, this import keywords are used. Import keywords and keywords dot kw list and all keywords are available. Okay, write down the keywords this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. First point is all reserved in python content contain only alphabets symbol. Okay, then second is accept the following three reserved word all contain only lowercase alphabetic symbols. Okay, first is true. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is point is first is okay. This letter, first letter false, none, then true. First letter is capital letters. Okay, then all all words are small letters. This is three words is first letter is capital letters. Okay, false, none, true. Okay, true, false, then none. Okay, this is first letter is capital letters, then all symbols are word are small letters. Okay, example is true, this is wrong. Okay, then a is equal to true, not a is equal to only true. This is right. Okay, noted the point. Okay,
Okay, sir.
three words are which words? True, false, and none. Okay,
False, none.
yes, first letter is capital letters. Okay, then next topic is Python data types. Built-in data types. In a programming, data types is an important concept. Variables can be stored data different types of, and different types can be different things. Okay, Python has following data types built-in defaults in their categories. Okay, first is text type. Text type is str, and number means integer, float, complex. Okay, then sequence data types list, tuples, range, and mapping types means dict. Set data types set, frozen sets. Boolean types means bool. Binary types means bytes, bytes array, memory view, and non types means non types. These are multiple data types. Okay, getting the data types, you can get the data any object by using a types functions. Okay, using a type functions. Okay, this is print the data types, the variables x. This is x is integer types, but using a type functions, this type of data, this is integer types. Okay, all data types list and try it. Okay, suppose that okay a is equal to 10. Okay, using a print functions, then which type of data? Type of a. This is integer types. this is integer types. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
first is integer types. Okay, suppose that under this code, okay, which type of data? Answer.
String
This is string types. Reason is, what's the reason?
within the double quotes.
Yes, yes, not double quotes, only quotes. Double quotes, single
Okay.
quotes, triple quotes are allowed. Okay, this is string types. Okay, suppose a single quotes. Okay, single quotes, then string. Suppose triple quotes. Okay, then string. Okay, then this is point value. This is integer types, int types, and second is b is equal to 10.0. Okay, then print. Type means which type of data using this. Okay,
Floating point number.
okay, this is floatings. And other check one's identity id, print id, which id number saves this b. Okay, this id number save, this is id number. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, memory save this 10.0 save the variables. Just a minute. Okay, suppose that this is 10 value. Okay, and assign the variables b. Okay, assign the variables b. This value save a b value, and id numbers are different. Yeah, every variables and id numbers is different. 13992 are id numbers, b id numbers. Okay, then using type functions, which type of data? Using type functions. Type is a function's name, and id means which id save a variables, and this is this point. Okay, so id must be saves. And suppose that again b is equal to 10.0. Okay, then again copy this 0, id number same. Okay, the reason is value is same. Suppose that value is different, and again value is different, and variables also different, then automatic value change. Okay, automatic value change. Reason is this is b types, this is c variables. Okay, automatic value change, this location is change. Then third is c is equal to a b c d. Okay, using code, this is str types. Print the c. This is string types. Okay, second one is okay, and all function check using a type functions. String types, int types, float types. This is imaginary types. Okay, imaginary type means complex numbers, ij. Okay, list means using a square bracket. This is use list. Then tuples means parenthesis use and comma separated. The range means which range? Range means number of words. Okay, this is dictionary. Dictionary means pair of key and value. This is frozen sets and true false boolean types, and whites means binary numbers are using. Whites array means numbers is binary values using. Then none means non types of none. All one by same is hello. Hello.
Sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, write down this data types.
Okay, sir.